Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my desktop. Over here on the bottom you can see Wi-Fi option is missing. This may be the case for you as well. For that, all we need to do is just hover here and click on this show hidden icons. You can see my Wi-Fi icon is hidden over here. So just click over here and drag it to the place where you want. Now you can see my Wi-Fi icon is visible over here. So in this way we can make Wi-Fi icon visible on laptop or desktop. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time